Okay, class, we continue once again with a different video. This video is on page 60, and the topic is about grammar number 1, present perfect continuous. Class, present perfect continuous. This topic is very easy for me, okay, it's very easy. The idea is to be comfortable with the tense, okay? So, number 1 says, underline this verb from form in this sentence taken from Yvonne's interview, then answer the question. For example, my sister has been studying 3 years or 3 for 2 years. No? So, underline this verb form. So in this case, the verb form is like has been studying. Okay, has been studying. Hey teacher, but it says present perfect. Of course, present perfect. With the present perfect, remember, we have auxiliaries, the verb in the past participle, but also says progressive. Remember, in some books says continuous, there's no problem. And when I say continuous or progressive, if the verb plus ing. So this is the present perfect continuous or progressive. And also, now remember, here you have this word for 2 years or maybe since, remember? Okay, okay. Here says, when did Yvonne's sister start studying there? No. Did she continue studying up to the present? Or is she going to stop studying now? So the idea is 2 years ago, not 2 years ago. When did the Yvonne's sister start studying? 2 years ago. Did she continue studying up to the present? Yes. Did, is she going to stop studying now? No. Those are my answers, okay? Now let's see, it's according to the present perfect progressive. Oh, teacher, present perfect progressive is terrible. No, man, it's easy. Look, the idea set for number 2. Now, find at least 5 more examples of the present perfect, simple or progressive, in the text on page 59 and write them down. Okay, present perfect, simple or progressive. Okay, present perfect simple or present perfect progressive. To be honest, I originally planned to go straight to college after high school to study to be a dentist. But lately, I've been thinking. There is one here. I've been thinking about it. Okay, present perfect. Simple. And I'm not so sure anymore. My parents have been pushing me. My parents have been pushing me since I was a child to become a dentist or a doctor. Present perfect continuous. So that is the idea. In all these sentences, you have to look for repeat, simple or progressive. No, talking about the present perfect. And right here, let's see. Eh, when we want to work with the present perfect, listen, it's very easy. It's a noun or a pronoun. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Could be auxiliary have or has, like this case has. Been. There is no other verb. Just been. And here you transform studying, cooking, eating, drinking, playing, reading, listening, whatever you want, and a complement according to the verb. For example, I have been cooking pizza. You have been listening to music. She has been reading a book. He has been watching videos, and so on. That is the idea. Okay? We use both the present perfect and the present perfect progressive to talk about situations or actions which started in the and continue the in the past, of course, and continue to the present, not to the future, until the present. We form the present perfect progressive with have, has, plus being, that is the verb being, the past participle, plus verb, plus ing. No, I told you here, no? I have been, you have been, he has been, she has been, working, eating, cooking, no? Whatever. Getting, driving, drinking, whatever you want. Okay, let me see. We usually use the present perfect with state verbs, no? Like have, be, sing, etc. D. We use the present perfect progressive to emphasize the duration of an activity, how long it takes, or to show that it is temporary. No? Let's continue. E. We use the present perfect to emphasize an action which is complete. And we use the present perfect progressive with actions that have recently finished, but where we can see the results now. For example, hey class, I've been learning French. Ah, teacher, you're king. No, no. Je parle français, je parle anglais, and je parle espagnol. Hmm? Okay, so remember, you can see the results now, and I'm speaking in French. So, the idea is to work with present perfect progressive, and as I told you, it's very easy. Okay, it's very easy. Let's see. Match the questions with the answers. Alright, let's see. Here. Letter A. Have you been working here long? Have you worked as a waiter before? No, no, never. Only for 2 weeks. Have you been drinking coffee? Have you had a coffee? Yes, I guess you can see where I spell it. Not yet. Let's go get one. So the idea here is to see which is the correct answer. Okay? Also here, no? You can see present perfect or present perfect continuous. Those activities are going to be shown in class, so there is no problem. It's very easy, only you need to check for the correct ing verb, no, in the correct form and the complement. No? Also here we're going to work with present perfect, no? In this case, how long? I studied at the University in Toronto. How long have you studied at the University in Toronto? Also, on page 61, we're going to work a listening activity. Okay? Is an internship right for you? Remember, internado, no? Okay? Internship right for you? You're going to listen and says, look at the words below. Do you think they represent positive or negative aspects in the internships? Experience, pay, resume, connections, vacation. And then you're going to listen once again and going to correct, not true or false, or correct the false sentences. And that's it. Okay, class, thank you so much. Remember, get ready for our classes that is going to be very good for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.